Hello, I'm Francis Nedvidek, Principal Technology Analyst at AutoSens Research. You are watching AutoSens Insights. And today, I'm speaking with Patrice Roulet, CTO, co-founder at Immervision. Hello, Patrice.
Hello, Francis. Happy to be here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be with you and answer a few questions.
We're very happy to have you. We have a few things we want to talk about, and I guess I just jump into them. Immervision's not a typical company that we find in the value chain or in the ecosystem of autonomous vision for automotive applications. Can you explain a little bit what's unique about your company?
I would say that the first unicity is we combine in the same lab, in the same company, multiple expertise. So first starting by the physics with optical designer, actually designing lenses. Then the image processing, so software engineers that process the pixel and to deliver the best pixel for the application. And in between, system engineer and embedded engineer that took those algorithms and bring that in a chipset. So we have this capability to design we were used to say to design the camera system from glass to glass, serving human vision type of application. Now we can say that from glass to computer vision. So we take in consideration the application requirements to design the best optimal system for all the camera stack. So I would say that's one thing which is unique. Mm-hmm. The other thing which is unique as well is we cover multiple industries. So we take the experience from our design in security, in automotive, in aerospace, space exploration, consumer electronics, and smartphone. So we cover all this wide spectrum of camera design, and we use all this background to serve our customers to develop the best vision system for their application. Answering to our main mission is bringing vision to machine.
Okay, that's a nice, crisp explanation. Thank you. So the next question I have is the trends that are out there. We've seen a lot of changes. Things are not exactly as predicted maybe a few years ago, or even say 6 months ago. A lot of motion, both on terms of technology development and on the side of acquisitions and repositioning of corporations and things like that. Can you explain to us how these trends are impacting your business?
So I would say the first change that we have seen happening 3-4 years ago, so is the computer vision trend, so the machine perception. We were designing back then, since 20 years, camera system mainly for human vision, so security, smartphone, action cameras, even automotive for backup camera. Now we see more and more demands for computer vision. So we had to readapt and take this trend in consideration to design our vision system to deliver the best pixel for this new type of application related to machine perception.
Okay. So if I understand correctly, and please correct me if there's something not right about this, you as a company take the situation in the real world, even multiple sensors, there's a certain system, a certain lighting, certain wavelengths, and you convert that into something that the computer needs to do their evaluation and their perception. So everything from the lens all the way through to the sensors and the mid-processing to deliver something that the customer needs for his system, his algorithms and processing.
Yes, you're correct. Except that we like also to go a little bit, I would say, more high level. So when we talk to our customers, what we like to understand is what is the application requirement, what you would like to display on the screen for human vision, or what would you like to capture. So for example, would you like to detect a road sign at this distance, a pedestrian at this distance? And from all those application requirements, we convert those requirements in optical requirements, sensor requirements, and image processing requirements, and we help them to design this system. We have a division at Immervision we call Innovation Lab, and we use the design thinking approach to partner with the engineering team of our customers and complement their expertise in this area. So converting the high-level application requirement to very detailed optical requirements, sensor requirements, and image processing requirements, and help them to design. We design the lens, we design the system, and we go up to even the prototyping and manufacturing, where we assist them with the complete ecosystem to make their product produce and test.
Okay, so then, in other words, in collaboration with the customer, maybe even some vendors, I'm not sure, you would sit around a table and the OEM says, look, here's the situation. I want to detect this over here. I want that kind of precision with that certain probability of detection or speed of motion, or in fog, in dark, whatever it may be. And my computer or the perception system needs these kind of inputs to a certain specification in terms of a density of bits, in terms of speed of delivery, frames per second, etc. And then you sit down, maybe even size. Maybe it has to fit here, it has to fit there. And then you sit down and then you propose a system that can accommodate and achieve what he needs to happen.
Yes, that's perfectly said. Let me take an example which is public. We are working on a vision system for drones with the Defense Innovation Unit in the US, and our mission it's for consumer type drones. And our mission is they came to us and said, we need those consumer type drones flying at night or in low light condition. Which type of system you can develop for this application? So we had to, from this high level requirement, convert that in computer vision requirements. So what is the algorithm for sense and avoid, and what are their, how they perform, and what pixel they need to perform in low light condition, and going down up to defining the exact lens, exact sensor, designing the lens, and providing the module that enhance the low light vision capabilities of consumer drones. So that's exactly the type of project that we like to do, and bringing innovation in the vision and perception system.
And how tightly do you coordinate what you do with component or subsystem vendors, silicon manufacturers, whatever?
Yeah, so we work closely with the ecosystem. So we have multiple lens vendors that produce our design under license. So we are a fabless company. So we design and we license the design to the ecosystem. So first, starting by the lens vendor. So we have multiple lens vendors working with us under license, producing our design. We work with the module vendor as well, and tier one, making the assembling the lens to the sensor, and also the silicon. So the SoC vendors are very important. So we work closely with different SoC vendors, porting our algorithm either on their GPU, DSP, accelerators. So we work very close with all this ecosystem to make sure that the technology is ready to serve our customer.
Okay, so then again, you look at the external world, and at the end of the day, you deliver a point cloud to the OEM under his specifications when he needs to do his job.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And so, and the main benefit is really this. So starting from the high level specification, going down up to the design of the different components.
Okay. How much does your company get involved in software to meet these requirements within the package of that you deliver?
So basically, our mission is to deliver good quality pixels. So that involves some image processing. And good quality pixel can be different if it's a good quality pixel for human vision, like for example, e-mirror application, or for computer vision. So we take those type of requirements in consideration. So we understand, okay, what is an object classifier, even if we don't develop specific network by ourselves. So we understand this part to then make sure that we deliver the best pixel. If you have a chance to watch the conference from yesterday, my talk at AutoSens, I presented how by using a dedicated, innovative wide-angle lens design or associated to image processing, we can increase the machine perception using, for example, state-of-the-art YOLO V4 classifier or single frame DAPE estimation neural network. So that's really our mission, where we have to understand the machine perception algorithm to make sure that we deliver the best pixels through image processing, embedded software, and lens design.
So in fact, it's even it's a custom system to meet the customer's requirements, but each of the intermediate stages or devices or systems within subsystems are really optimized to achieve what the customer desires.
Correct. Starting by customizing the lens. We even have a chance in the past to work very close with sensor vendor to customize the sensor to fit lens and the sensor lens paired together to make sure that we can optimize the result. And also the algorithm. So optimizing the image processing algorithm running on the SoC to deliver the best pixels.
Very good. Okay. I think I have a good understanding now. Thank you very much for that.
Francis, it was a pleasure to talk to you and answer your question.
Are there some closing comments you would like to make before we part?
I think that's what my last comment would say, that we are really focusing on bringing vision to machine and helping our customer in all their machine perception problems. The Immervision Innovation Lab is there to help them, and we are looking forward to engage with more and more Tier 1 and OEMs in the automotive industries to serve this purpose, helping them to bring vision to cars and vehicles.
Well, thank you very much, Patrice, for your time and your elucidation on your company and your specialties. So I'd like to remind everybody that this is AutoSens. You are watching AutoSens. If you're looking for more AutoSens content, you can look at the YouTube channel, search for AutoSens. Until next time.